First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, lots of weather to talk about, even though it's not really here yet. It is going to be sort of an eventful weekend, no matter where you're going, especially in the eastern part of the country, where you could see a variety of rain, thunderstorms, a tornado threat, and then further north, a snow and ice threat. So it all depends on where you're going as to what you're going to get. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. What we're getting right now is scattered rain showers, mostly light stuff. As temperatures are in the 50s, we're at 54 degrees. It is later, once we get into tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon, when we're looking at a threat for some severe weather across south central Kentucky. In fact, there is the severe weather risk, which covers all of the WBKO viewing area. And we're talking mainly Saturday afternoon and evening, and we're primarily talking about west of Interstate 65. What's going to happen is a long line of thunderstorms is going to slowly move east, and ahead of that line, we could see some damaging wind threat, heavy rainfall, lots of lightning, and maybe even a brief tornado or two. The tornado threat is not all that high, but we can't completely rule it out. There's I-65, so mainly west tomorrow is what we're concerned about. East, you may actually go through much of the day without a drop of rain for a long time before that line begins to move in. But there is also, in addition to this, a flood threat. In fact, as we look at the graphics from the weather computer, I'll show you that map. As we switch over, can we switch over to the weather computer just real quick? And thank you very much. As we look at the flood watch through noon Sunday, this is again, as you can see, the counties in that flood watch primarily west of Interstate 65. Now, this could be extended east, but all this is through noon Sunday. So this is going to be a long event. It's going to start tomorrow. Those of you living east of us may go for a long time without rain, but then when the rain does come, it will be heavy and with a lot of gusty winds. So that's what we're watching for here. Lots of creeks, streams, and rivers will swell, especially back to the west, where we could see 2, 3, maybe even up to 4 inches of rain during the day tomorrow, or during the course of the weekend especially. Temperatures this morning are very warm in the low to mid 50s across the area. Winds gusty out of the south at 15 to 20, even 33-mile-per-hour wind gusts just now in Glasgow. That's the kind of winds we're going to have all weekend long, but warm temperatures near record. 66 today, Bowling Green and Franklin, 65 Scottsville, 64 Glasgow, all around the Barren River Lake area. By the way, tomorrow night's Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $60 million. Mega Millions next drawing now estimated at $15 million. Down Scottsville Road this morning, a few scattered showers, and currently temperature at 54. With a south wind at 12 miles per hour. Here is the view from Litchfield and Grayson County. You've picked up 2/100 of an inch of rain this morning already with those scattered showers. You're at 51 degrees. 53 in Russellville with scattered showers there. 4/100 of an inch of rain there in Logan County. And then in Franklin, 54 with scattered showers knocking on Simpson County's door now. 54, the current temperature reading at the airport, which is running about 15 degrees warmer. Look at all the flood watches and advisories out to the west and northwest of us, and then the blue shaded areas. That's where the snow and ice, the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings are going on. So if you're anywhere, say, north or west of St. Louis, that's where you're more likely to see the winter weather. None of that's going to come here. Our basic forecast here and basic weather threat is going to be heavy rain and the potential for maybe a few strong storms, as I mentioned, tomorrow afternoon and evening. For today, just scattered shower thunderstorm activity like we're seeing this morning. Same goes for tonight as one impulse rides along that front, and then as the front stalls over the area tomorrow, we're going to have that tight gradient of no rain to the east out here toward the Cumberland Parkway area, and a lot of rain to the west as that next impulse comes by. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, I think that's going to be when the main threat moves through the area, and then everything begins to quiet down for Sunday. Windy and warm today, scattered showers, 66. Then for tonight, scattered shower, maybe a thunderstorm threat, and a low of 58, but the heavy rain potential coming tomorrow afternoon and evening with a near record high of 72. A lot depends on how much sun we get ahead of that system. Then as things quiet down Sunday, we cool down from a high of 63, a colder day Monday, then Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. It's nice Temperatures chilly, though, in the 30s and 40s.